Hi everyone, let's chat with a startup. Welcome Marzieh. Let's talk more about PeckiiLess.
PeckiiLess is a deep tech startup developing a novel new method for monitoring glucose levels through exhalation breath. Our product is a handheld breathalyzer that can monitor and detect scientifically proven biomarkers through exhalation breath. And then with the help of machine learning and AI, it can combine this information into personal metabolic readouts.
Wow, sounds really, really interesting. But how did you come up with this idea?
Well, during my first master's degree in nanoelectronics, I was working on semiconductor devices and gas sensors. That's when I came up with a new idea to improve the sensing functionality of gas sensors. Then at the same time, I had a friend at university who had diabetes. He had to pierce his finger several times a day. And then one day, I still remember, he was struggling typing his thesis. He said, okay, I saw an article and saying that one day maybe glucose levels could be measured through exhalation breath without pain. And he looked at me and said, since you are working on gas sensors, why don't you test that? That moment really inspired me, and that's how PeckiiLess was born.
Wow, super. So you have your product with you. Can you please tell us the uniqueness about the product and how it functions?
Yes, actually, this is our laboratory prototype, which are doing testing and development. The unique part of PeckiiLess is the core technology of the gas sensor, which is able to detect multiple biomarkers at the same time. This is really important because factors like genetics, lifestyle, and diet can affect glucose levels. By looking at the full picture of biomarkers in exhalation breath, we can reach to much more accurate readouts.
Nice. Okay, can you show it to me again?
Yes, actually, this is a laboratory prototype, and I opened the prototype here to show that this is a placement for the gas sensors here, and we are targeting to detect 5 different biomarkers with 5 different sensors with this prototype.
All right, thank you. So I know you work a lot with sustainability. Can you please tell us how PeckiiLess supports a more sustainable healthcare system?
Yes, of course. PeckiiLess can reduce the medical waste from billions of one-time use needles and test strips that are thrown away each and every day. On the other hand, since the final product will be easier to use, affordable, and more accessible, we are working towards more equal healthcare for everyone.
Sounds fantastic. So tell us, what lies ahead of you, and do you have any challenges?
Well, PeckiiLess is a deep tech startup, and like many deep tech companies, it carries high risk. On the other hand, in healthcare, the journey takes long because we need to go through clinical trials and obtain regulatory approvals. The main challenges that we have at the moment is to secure enough funding, advancing the device, and developing AI model for our device, and then having access to the market and building a strong partnership for the company.
All right. Thank you, Marzieh, for being here, and good luck.
Thank you very much.